Hi everybody, just wanted to talk to you about our next workshop that we're going to be putting on, whereby we're going to talk about what the future of a estate agency actually looks like and how you guys might be able to start to prepare yourselves for it. So we're going to look at things like revenue per employee. What is that metric? Why does no one track it, and why is it so critical in today's age? We're going to look at how we got into the mess that estate agency is at the moment and how we get out of it. We're going to look at how you create efficiencies inside your estate agency that you probably never even thought about. We're going to look at how you can use the life cycle to do some of this stuff. We're going to look at how you can be a bit more proactive inside your company, and ultimately how you can create efficiencies to drop your outgoings and cash in on opportunities to increase your revenue. So hopefully you guys will find the workshop really useful. We put them on for free every quarter. I'll put the link to the workshop in above or below, depending on where you're watching this, and you guys can just click to register, and I'll see you then.